Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to give you the code that will set your game to be full screen on any computer, no matter what computer a game's running on, and also prevent your sprite from going off of the screen. So there's one line of code that you need to change to make your game fit the entire screen. And basically, I think I have this on the F drive under ICS projects, Greenfoot project. There's a file called something like making game full screen that has this line of code that you need to add. But if you don't want to open that, you can just copy the line right here. So you're going to replace the line of code that you currently have that says, oh, and this is in the My World class. Um, you need to replace the line that says super and then I think probably 1280 comma 1024 comma false. You need to replace it with this super 3 parentheses int a close parenthesis spacebar toolkit dot get default toolkit open close parentheses dot get screen size open close parentheses dot get open close parenthesis minus 50 comma, and then basically the same thing except for height. And then lastly, comma 1 comma false. All right, so once again it's this line right there. I may actually add this to the add this line of code to the notes for this YouTube video, so you can probably also check for it there. All right, the next thing I wanted to do is show you how to prevent your sprite from going off the screen. Now this is the sprite that I'm controlling with the keyboard. Currently, the user can basically move it off the screen, which you don't want to have happen because obviously that would make the game too ridiculously easy. So here's what you do. You go to the class that the user controls. Now mine's the Dinosaur class. And I'm going to scroll down to the act method where it has if greenfoot.is key down up. And I'm going to add this. And then I'm going to say get y greater than 0. So that means if he's going up, his y coordinate has to be greater than 0 for, in fact, not only greater than 0, but the x and y coordinate of a sprite is actually the very center of the sprite in a Greenfoot game. So I'm going to say greater than or equal to get image dot get height divided by 2. Okay, let's see, what is it? Is it just height? I guess it is just height. Okay, so now when he's going down, oh no it isn't. Alright, so let me go and check and see why. I'm going to go and check the actor class. Oh, you know what? I think it's in the image class, so I need to go to help, Greenfoot class documentation. And I'm going to go to image and Greenfoot image. Let's see. Get height. Yeah, I think that should be right. Let me look at the actor class. And if there's a get image, yes, there is. What was I doing wrong here? So let's go back. Oh, you know what? Did I forget the second set of parentheses? I bet I did. All right, let's try that. Yeah, that was it. Okay, so for the down case, I'm going to check to see that his Y position is less than the height of the screen divided by 2. So I'm going to copy this, paste it in here, and I'm going to say, let's see, get world dot get background dot get height minus get image dot get height divided by 2. Okay, so what this is saying is, okay, if his y coordinate is less than the height of the screen, that's what get world get background dot get height, minus half of how tall he is. So he is, because his y coordinate is actually half his height. So you want to do the height of the screen minus 1/2 how tall he is, and that means that he'll be completely on the screen. So, and essentially what the logic is, you're not going to let him move any further south, even if the key is pressed, unless his height, or unless his Y location is still on the screen. Okay, so then the left one is similar to the first one, except it is with get width, and it's get X. So get X has to be, and actually it's just greater than, yep, just greater than get image dot get height divided by 2. All right, and then, oh, and it's width, not height. Okay, so then going to the right, you're making sure his X coordinate is less than, let's see, it would be get X is less than get world dot get background dot get width minus get image dot get width divided by 2. Okay, so let's see if this works. So now I should no longer be able to move the dinosaur off the screen. Sure enough, I cannot. All right.